Let's
see who gets shot first.
This is weird.
Yeah, just wait till you see the foot traps. Not this, but actually, they used to be alive.
We gotta hide from the VC, man. This is weird seeing what your grandparents went through.
Yeah, look at this.
Yeah.
We have to hide. Yeah, let's hide in there. But we can't see anything.
You can't see anything.
Like, they would cover these spikes with feces.
Yeah, it's the punji sticks.
Yep.
Wow, you can't see anything.
Only because it's flashing. Imagine walking through this and having that literally hit you.
Just not all the noises too. Where did you go? She's wearing the green jacket.
We'll hide over here.
Here we go.
The way they fought was very, very
You're gonna take a picture.
unusual.
Oh,
Hey, no
turn
flash.
it off.
No flash.
There was no
You can't use the flash.
you never knew what was coming up. They were very hardcore, very determined people.
Wow.
And they learned as we
Steaks typically be
Covered human feces. I told you.
and weren't meant to kill you.
Image it next year.
Stabbed by them caused such a severe infection.
Imagine hearing that.
I'm glad I got my video on because I'm getting all of this.
Realistic.
This is awesome.
we've been going all morning.
This is awesome. Could you imagine this to be like my grandfather?
Just especially your first time. You know the average length for a first lieutenant getting off the helicopter in Ohio Ilsley was 16 minutes.
Get in here.
Knowing that these will all run.
She's with me.
The middle of the afternoon, this tiredness has taken over.
You're going to be a little bit dark, but you can sing it's her in there. I didn't know your name.
Since I talked to her.
I've been recruited into the group.
Yeah.
She's been drafted.
Yeah, I've been drafted. Perfect.
You can't switch her.
Like grandfather, like granddaughter.
Yeah.
Wait a second.
See, the thing is, if I were stuck in a jungle, I'd stay on top of one of these things and just go, don't.
Oh shit. I didn't expect that. She sat down and just. Ooh. This is
Think about it. My grandfather was there.
yeah.
Surprises meant death. It wasn't a, oh, whoa, that's so realistic. It's like,
Our
this is real.
grandfathers did this. This is what's insane.